What should you know before learning the mobile repairing training? So guys, if you want to also know about that one, you have to watch this video until the last, and you will know about all the things which you should to know before learning the mobile repairing training. This video will tell you all the prerequisites about before learning the mobile repairing training. Okay, so if you are also interested in mobile repairing training, first of all you have to know these things. Okay, so in this video you will learn about the currents, and you will learn about the frequency, and you will learn about the mobile generation. So if you want to also understand about those things, then in that case you have to watch this video, otherwise you can skip this video from here. But don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press in the bell icon. So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press in the bell icon. And after watching this video, you will be clear in the AC current and DC current, and how to use those kind of things, and what is mobile frequency, and what is the frequency, and how to measure it, and you will know all the things about those things, and you will understand about the mobile generation also in this video. Okay guys, so if you are also trying to learn the mobile repairing training from home, in that case this video will help you more and more. Okay, so without any late, let's begin our tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to my computer screen. So today I'm going to teach you about the mobile repairing training. So before, I already told you about my future videos, I am going to make a video series on mobile repairing training. Okay, so if you are also interested in mobile repairing, then this video will help you. Okay, so you will be able to learn this training in free of cost. So you will watch this video until the last. Okay guys, so hoping that you will follow all the videos. So today we will discuss about the AC. Okay, so what should we know before learning mobile repairing training? Okay, so for this one you need the current, frequency, mobile frequency, and mobile generation. So you should know about these four things, and there are many things which you should to know, and I will tell you all the things related with mobile repairing training in my future videos. So today we will discuss about the current, frequency, mobile frequency, and mobile generation. Okay guys, so what is current? Okay, so current are basically source of electricity. Without current we will not able to use electricity. Okay, so current is the source of the electricity. Okay, so if you want to use the all the devices related with the electricity, we cannot use those machines without electricity. So electricity is one of the amazing things for us, and it was the great invention for the human beings also. Okay, so the current means the source of electricity. So here is the diagram. Okay, so there are two types of the current. Okay, the first name of the current is AC current, and the second one is the DC current. AC means the accumulate current, and the DC means direct current. Okay, so now you can see here it's the definition of the AC current. AC current always follow in alternative way. It flow in the wave form. AC current does not have positive or negative. Okay, so if you are using the AC current, in that case you should remember always there is no positive or negative. Okay, so it will follow in the alternative way. And another current is the DC current. So DC current always flow in one direction, and it have always positive and negative point. Okay, so when you are working with the DC current, in that case you have to remember there will be always positive and negative point. So sometime by mistakenly, if you put the negative point in the positive point, or positive point in the negative point. In that case, maybe your electronic devices can be short also. Okay, so that's why you have to be careful when you are doing all the tasks in the DC current related devices. Okay, but in the AC there is no problem, there will not be positive or negative. Okay, so now you can see here, so we will see the diagram of AC and DC current. So this is the diagram of the AC current. Now you can see here, it will flow in the waveform. It will go up and it will come down, up, down, up, down, up, down, like that. Okay, and it will not have the positive or negative point. So now you can see here, it can be flow from this side also, or it can flow from this side also. So it don't have the positive or negative point. But now you can see here, this is the diagram of the DC current. So this is the source of the electricity, and now we can see in this side there is the positive point, and in this side the negative point. Okay, so if you put the positive point in the negative side, it will not work properly. Okay, so this is the diagram of AC and DC current. So let's discuss what is frequency. Okay, so frequency is also known as a signal, and it helps us to connect two devices each other. In simple language, frequency is that kind of wave which come in up and down or in the waveform. So frequency is one of the amazing thing. Okay, so without frequency we cannot connect two electronic devices each other wirelessly. Okay, so if you want to connect two devices wirelessly, then in that case you should to know about the frequency. So diagram of frequency, now you can see here, this is the frequency, and we will count the frequency in the hertz. So this is the measurement unit of hertz, frequency. Okay, so it will go up and down like the AC current. So now we can see here, before discussing about the mobile generation, let's discuss about the mobile frequency. So what is mobile frequency? Mobile frequency is a frequency which will produced by the mobile devices, and using that frequency we will connect each other. One phone produce a signal or frequency, then that frequency will go to the in the mobile tower. Then after that, that mobile tower will help us to connect with two mobile devices. Okay, so after that, so let's discuss about the mobile generation. So basically there are five types of mobile generation. So now we can say the first generation is wire telephone. Okay, so in our first generation of mobile phone there was wire telephone. So now you can see here, this is the image of the wire telephone. It was the huge size also, and now we can see there is a wire. Okay, and let's discuss about the second generation. So it was the wireless technology. Okay, so now we can see here, in that time, so after the second generation, humans start to use this kind of mobile phone, and they start to use the wireless technology. And let's discuss about the third generation. In the third generation, human develop the advanced technology in wireless. Okay, so they make more changes in wireless technology. Okay, so in the fourth generation, they increase the data speed. They are using more data speed when they start the fourth generation of mobile phone. And now we are using the fifth generation. So in this time we have more data speed with more power. Okay, so it means we are using the 5G. Okay, so guys, these are the generation of the mobile phone. So today we discuss about the few things which we should to know before learning the mobile repairing training. Okay, so I will make another theory video also related with mobile repairing training, and after that you will be more clear about this one. So this was for today. I will come back with another new video. That's it.
Hoping that you get few ideas about all the mentioned things in this video. So hoping that you already know about the AC and DC current, you understand about the mobile frequency, and you understand about the mobile generation. So after learning those all the things, so we will learn what is battery. Okay, so in our further video, so if you want to know more about the battery or mobile battery especially, so in that case you can watch my future video, and you can subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to among the people. Okay, and one more thing, if you don't know how to use the multimeter, you can check my previous video which is already uploaded inside my YouTube video. I recommend you to watch this video, watch that video, and you will be able to check the mobile phone battery using the multimeter. Okay guys, share this video to among the people who are trying to learn the mobile repairing from their home. Then in that case maybe this video will help them, and I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.